In today's lesson, you will be doing Lesson 1, Positive and Negative Numbers. Please complete the diagrams. Count by ones to label the number line. So what I'd love you to do is I'd love you to pause this Educanon video and try to label this horizontal number line by yourself. And I hope you have a pencil just in case you're wrong. And when you and your partner think you've correctly labeled the number line, hit play again and see if you're correct. I always start my number lines, with 0, a central location. This is up 1 from 0. This is up 2 units from 0. This is up 3, up 4, up 5. Okay? You can count down from 0. Okay? 1 down, 1 space down from 0 is -1. 2 spaces down is -2. 3 spaces down is -3. 4, -5. Okay, notice. Okay, the farther numbers are from 0, the lower they are. Okay? So number 1 asks us to graph the following points on your horizontal number line. -3, 0, and 4. Okay? You can pause the video and try this on your own with your partner. Hit play when you think you're complete. -3 is right there on my number line. 0 is right here on my number line. And 4 is here. Okay? Let's go down. Not all number lines are horizontal. You can also have vertical number lines. Okay? And it's basically the same thing. You locate your 0. Okay, but now you are thinking of going up from 0. So this is up 1 or +1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, and up 6 spaces. Okay? Now you are going to be going down from 0. Okay, so this is down 1 space, it's -1. Down 2 spaces is -2. Down 3 spaces is -3. This is -4, and this is -5. This is a vertical number line. I always tell horizontal. I had a great art teacher growing up. But horizontal has a Z in it, so that means it's going side to side. And vertical, the V is going up and down. So the horizontal or side to side number lines, verticals are up and down. If that helps you, it helps me. Okay, the second question asks us to graph the following points on your vertical number line. -1, 6, and -5. If you'd like to pause it and try it, you may. -1 is here, 6 is here, and -5 is here. Okay, going on to the next page of our packet here. It gives us a picture and it describes some scenarios to you. The picture below shows 3 different people participating in activities at 3 different elevations, okay? So we got the hiker here, okay? He's above sea level. Okay, this is he is going up from sea level, which is right here. So this is going to be in the positive range. The sailboat is sailing at sea level, so that's going to be very neutral, not positive or negative, okay? And the scuba diver is below sea level, so he's going to be in the negative range. So our exercises ask us to use the following information to answer exercises 1 and 2. The diver is 30 feet below 0, or below sea level. The sailor is at sea level. And the hiker is 2 miles, or 10,560 feet above sea level. Okay, so let's go scroll down. Let me use this information to help me. Okay, the diver is 30 feet below 0. That is going to be -30. Okay. The sailor is at sea level. That neutral level is going to be 0. I hope you take notes on this. 0 is neither positive or negative. Okay, it's kind of the separator between the positive integers and the negative ones. C, the hiker is 2 miles above sea level. So that would be +2, 2 miles above. Use an appropriate scale to graph each of the following situations on the number line below. Okay. So let me scroll down. Let me scroll down to get all of this on the page. Okay. Let me read these 2 problems in order to complete the scenario, in order to decide what I want to label my vertical number line with. Okay. A hiker is 15 feet above sea level, so I have to make sure I have a 15 on my number line. and a diver is 20 feet below. Okay, so I'm going to put my 0 right in the center of my vertical number line. And since 15 and 20 are both multiples of 5, I'm going to try to skip count by 5s on my number line. So up one spot here, I'm going to make this space worth 5 feet, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I'm going to count backwards. Now I'm going to go the opposite direction. One space is still worth 5, but now we're negative 5, negative 10. You can skip count, negative 15, and negative 20. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to talk about some words. Okay, write each word under the appropriate column, positive number or negative number. These are some pretty hard words, so I'm going to take some time to go through each one of them with you. When you gain something, you're getting it, that's positive. You lose something, that's negative. You're at a loss. This is one that's very tricky. When you deposit stuff in your account, when I go to the bank and I deposit money, my account is getting larger. So that is a positive number, deposit. When your account gets credited, or they credit your account, that's positive. Okay, that means that they are crediting you money or putting money in, which is positive. Debit. A lot of kids get confused with this one. Your debit card is actually the same as writing a check. So when you swipe your card, your debit card at the market or at the gas station, it's coming out of your account. You're losing money. So a debit is a loss. A charge is a loss because you are getting charged money. You owe people money. That's negative. Below 0, okay, that's negative. A withdraw means you're taking money out, so that is also negative. When you owe people money, that's negative. You never want to owe people money. And when you receive something, that's positive, okay? So you really want to make sure that you understand these words, okay? Now I'm going to send this into some educating questions and see how well you understood the lesson today, okay? I'm going to start with number 4. Okay, and I'm going to leave this screen up here. And I'm going to go through all of these questions in an educating video one at a time. Okay, and also in your educating might be 2 or 3 review questions because, Mrs. Kitchell and I love to make sure that you're constantly reviewing for math. I hope you understood and liked the lesson today. We'll see you tomorrow for lesson 2.